How to fix OBS Studio NVENC error on Windows. OBS Studio is a popular software for streaming and recording your screen. It supports NVENC, which is a hardware encoder that is built into NVIDIA graphics cards. NVENC can improve the performance and quality of your streaming and recording, but it may also cause some errors. Here is a list of some common OBS Studio NVENC errors and how to fix them. NVENC error, init_encoder, nv.nv initialize encoder, in-session, perms, failed, 8, nv_enc_error_invalid_perm. This error means that there is an invalid parameter in the NVENC encoder initialization call. This can happen for various reasons, such as outdated drivers, unsupported hardware, incorrect settings, or a problem with the NVENC encoder itself. To fix this error, you can try the following solutions. Update your video card driver to the latest version. Check if your video card supports NVENC encoding. You can find a list of supported GPUs. Check your encoder settings in OBS Studio and make sure they are compatible with your hardware and resolution. For example, NVENC does not support resolutions higher than 4096 on their largest side. Reinstall the NVENC codec library from the NVIDIA website. Failed to open NVENC codec. Generic error in an external library. This error means that there is a problem with the NVENC codec library. This can happen for various reasons, such as missing, corrupted, or incompatible library files, or a problem with the video card driver. To fix this error, you can try the following solutions. Install or reinstall the NVENC codec library from the NVIDIA website. Run a system file checker. Scan to repair any corrupted system files. You can do this by opening a command prompt as administrator and typing sfc/scanno. Update or reinstall your video card driver to the latest version. Failed to open NVENC codec, function not implemented. This error means that the NVENC encoder is not implemented in the OBS Studio version that you are using. This can happen for various reasons, such as using an outdated version of OBS Studio, or using a video card that does not support NVENC encoding. To fix this error, you can try the following solutions. Update your OBS Studio to the latest version from the official website. Check if your video card supports NVENC encoding. You can find a list of supported GPUs here. Enable hardware encoding, NVENC, in OBS Studio by going to File Settings Output and selecting NVENC H.264 under Encoder.